So now let's learn about the iframe tag. What it does, it actually creates a frame. Obviously, as you can see, the name says iframe, that means something related to frames. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to close this tab because that is not important for us. And yeah, so what we are going to do, so much distraction right now. We have to create iframe tag. Now what it does, it actually creates a way for us to include a page which is not part of our page. Sounds confusing? Let me show you an example. I'll say p tag. I'll save this file and let me save a couple of files. Now you can see we have so many pages available with us. So let me actually include this what is HTML inside our page. So how will I do that? I will simply come here and I'll say iframe src and 01 underscore what is HTML. I'll save the file. And now you can see this particular page, what is HTML, is now available for us. So I can actually interact with this particular page. You can see there is no JavaScript involved here. There is nothing involved here, but with the help of this simple iframe tag, I was able to include this particular page in my web page. So if I'll come here and I'll view the source code, you can see it is just including this. Ignore this part, guys, because this is part of our live server. So this is the tag which we have used, and this is where we have included the iframe. So can I include anything else? Yes, I can do that. So I can say 08 table tag. I'll save the file, and now you can see the whole table tag content is available here. I mean, not the whole table tag, but the HTML file of this particular tag. So you can see how easy it is for us to embed technically, or I would say include different pages in our folder structure, in our web page using the iframe tag. And you must have seen some websites where they actually include videos. So if I want to include a YouTube video, so I'll come here, youtube.com/@skillnagar, and I'll pick any video. I'll pick this one. I'll come here and I'll say share. I'll click on embed and I'll copy this piece of code. You can see it has some similarity. What it has a same iframe tag with various different attributes which we are not using right now. I'll save the file, and now you can see this particular YouTube video is available in my web page as well. So this is how we use the iframe tag to actually include a content which is not part of our web page.